Okay, today we're going to continue talking about inputs and outputs and how to get things to and from a computer and other technology. Okay, so you need to first off go in Canvas if you haven't yet, go into assignments and find the input and output activity. It should bring up this sheet that we're going to fill out in partners, and then after each one we'll get into the groups that I assigned and you guys will go over the information together. Okay, so first and foremost you see under vocabulary, it has our input and output definitions that we established yesterday. If you scroll down, okay, you have the desktop computer, input output, Chromebook, input output, and then finally we're going to do the one for the smartphone, our input and output. Okay, so for this first part, you need to think about the physical computer in front of you. Okay, so how can I put things onto the computer? How do I get things off the computer? Okay, we talked a little bit about it yesterday. We use it, the desktop, pretty much every day in class. So think about the things, what you want to get on, what you want to take off, and how you would do that. Okay. Once you figure that out, you fill it out, you and your partner, and then you go to the next video, watch it, okay, and it's about the Chromebook. And then once you're done with that, you watch the third video and fill out the smartphone. Okay. Once you and a partner have both filled out a copy of this, you make sure it's all done, okay, and then you submit it at the end of the day.